Hey beauties, it's Riri. Welcome back to another day of Vlogmas. Today is going to be the MCoBeauty Advent Calendar. This is a $70 value. I cannot remember how much I spent, so I'll pop deets right here for you guys. And I do already have a video up with MCoBeauty products, but I'm very excited. The back does say what's on there. And what I'm looking for, let me just kind of scooch over a little bit. What I'm looking for with Advent calendars is the actual packaging. I think it's super cute. And while I feel like holiday-esque, it doesn't necessarily scream holiday or scream Christmas or anything like that. So if you don't celebrate Christmas, this is still something that I think would be a good gift. I think this could be a good gift just in general for like the holiday months, for a birthday, whatever the case may be. It does feel substantially made and stuff like that. I don't know that this is going to be something we could reuse. So let me go ahead and get the sleeve open. Okay. That's cute as hell. Also, excuse the background. This is probably going to have to change because it looks so dark back there and I don't like seeing the TV or the glare on the TV. We literally just moved in yesterday, you guys. So when you guys are seeing this, hopefully the room is already better by that point in time. But yeah, please excuse that. None of my pictures are hung. It's a mess. It is an absolute mess. The lighting looks like crap. Look, if you're new here, I'm sorry. This is cute as hell. I love this. It kind of opens up. That little piece is magnetic. And then I'm also looking for kind of ease of use as I'm trying to get in and out, as I'm trying to get into the doors. I do see that they have large enough kind of like thumb like cutouts and stuff like that. So we will start, of course, with day one. I am assuming you can just pull these out as well, like the entire box. Yes, so I feel like that makes it a little bit easier. You can pull them out. I feel like you could, if you're just a little bit more careful with this, you probably could reuse these. All right, day number one. Everything is individually packaged as well, which I like. Ooh, we have an Extend Lash in black. And if you guys want to see a look with, ooh, I like the wand of that, with all of my Advent calendar goodies, let me know. Of course, I'm not keeping everything. Let me try to fix this light for y'all. There we go, maybe. I'm not keeping everything, but I will try to keep enough that like if you guys want to see a full face, maybe like our very last Vlogmas video or something can be like me testing all the different things from the different Advent calendars. Alrighty, next up is day number two. And now that I pulled day one out, day two was super easy to get out of here. Again, packaged well, and I like that this completely folds, you know, like flat. So if you do recycle like myself, it's not really going to take up a whole lot of space. Like everything is flat. That is empty. Oh, I thought it was empty, y'all. That's cute as hell. It's just a cute little poof. Alrighty, day number three. Do you like Advent calendars? Do you not like Advent calendars? My only thing, I do wish, which I don't know what all colors and color cosmetics and stuff are in here. I do wish that they would at least do two variations, like a light to medium and then like a deep dark, medium deep, something like that. Just so that they're a little bit more inclusive. Okay, this is a hair and brow magic wand. Hopefully this has a very narrow, ooh, yeah, I will not end up using this. I'm gonna go ahead and put that right back in here. Okay, so far we've got mascara, the brow product, and a puff. I'd like to see some more color. I wanna see some more color cosmetics in here. Day number four. Alrighty, still feeling very, very small. And I think the whole calendar was like minis. Baby, them at mini. Oh my gosh, this is the Miracle Flawless Pressed Powder. That's insanely small, which I did know that. It's just a translucent little powder, which, to be fair and in their defense, all of my like little like concealer type brushes and stuff like that, they would fit in here. So I would kind of place this, tap my brush, and then you can kind of very lightly dust. So cute, but it's not blowing my socks off yet, y'all. Comment down below. Let me know what y'all think so far. Day number five. Yeah, everything's easy to get into, so I do like that. We got a squeezy tube of some sort. Ooh, I believe this is a Glossier dupe. This is the MCoBeauty. It's all MCoBeauty. This is the cheek and lip tint in Dusk. Also, probably not something I'm going to keep and use. And nothing goes to waste here on my channel if there are things that I know that I'm not going to get much use out of. I do have a resale group. I do a ton of secret giveaways, especially throughout the holiday season and stuff like that. Of course, I have friends and family and stuff, so nothing ever goes to waste. Number 6. I like the idea of minis because we can test the brand, and then if we like the mini products, then we can kind of go purchase the full size. We have the Super Glow Golden Drops. They are more of like a Drunk Elephant doopity-doop. I have tested these, so I'll go ahead and pass that along. Day number 7. And I would hold this up, y'all, but as I pull boxes, they're just all going to fall. And I'm not going to be doing that the whole video. Ooh, that feels nice. We have a little sponge. It does feel quite soft and squishy. Alrighty, day number 8. Oh, we're getting to some bigger ones down here. Day number 8. Oh, that's a decent size, whatever it is. Ooh. Oh, and I have the actual name brand of this, so I will hold on to this and like demo them. This is the Miracle Flawless Setting Spray. It's supposed to be like the Charlotte Tilbury. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna spray some right now. Matter of fact. Ooh, very fine. Ooh, that smells nice. If you don't like fragrance at all, you're gonna hate it, but it smells great. Ooh, that's a little aggressive on the actual like skin. It's almost like soft floral. Ooh, that definitely brought my makeup to life. Okay, I'm keeping that. That looks nice. Day number 9. We're heading towards the end of the calendar, y'all. Okay. Another squeezy tube. Take a guess down below. This is the Peptide Lip Treatment in Buttercream. Also supposed to be a dupe for like Laneige or something like that. If you're unfamiliar with MCoBeauty, they are specifically a dupes brand. All right, day number 10, also a big boy. Ooh, what are you? I can also compare this. This is the Grip Primer. Supposed to be, of course, e.l.f. has one, and then this is, I'm assuming, is going to be duping the Melt one since it is the more expensive of those. Day number 11. We're getting to the home stretch, you guys. Okay. Yeah, I also already have this. This is the Perfect Pout Lip Liner in Cheeky Chat. Pillow Talk Cheeky Chat. I did also have this. I actually just decluttered it, so I'll pay that forward as well. And then day number 12. We didn't get much color cosmetics, and I was gonna bitch about that. However, the selection of things that we have is quite inclusive, so I'm not gonna complain about it. I think it's been nice. Okay. Day number 12. Day number 12. We have Super Glow Bronzing Drops. These are the Super Glow Golden Drops. I actually think I had the bronzer version, not the highlighter version. But I, again, have demoed these already, or like the very similar product to these, so I'll pay these forward. And of course, we'll pay it forward. And these few products right here, I will keep. But yeah, I think overall, I think I'm gonna give it a 4. I like the selection. I like we got like a little bit of, we got eyebrows, we got lip liners and stuff like that. We got a lip treatment. And I feel like it's pretty kind of winter geared in terms of like things that are going to kind of help quench our skin. Yeah, I like it. I'm not in love with it. But like I said, you know, nothing's going to go to waste here. I can always pay things forward and stuff like that. I'm actually really excited about the few products that I am keeping though. Yeah, that's it. I think I'm gonna give it a 4. Do you guys think I'm being fair or not? What did you guys think? Comment down below. Let's have that conversation. Thank you guys so much for joining. I hope you'll stick around and subscribe and join my beauty family. Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up. You can hype the video. You can turn on notifications so you never miss one of my uploads. And there's a join button down below you can click to become a channel member for some exclusive perks. I love you all. Stay happy, healthy, and safe. And of course, be your own best beautiful. Bye, beauties.